There you go.
Oh, I need to get your burp rag, don't I? You're spitting up a little bit. You're spitting up a little bit.
Because Mom's making me smile, no?
You're getting going. Brother Murphy will really be talking back to you.
Hi, cute face. Hey, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love
Look
you.
at Grandpa.
I love you. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you. I love you. Yes, you love me. I love you. I love you. You can talk? You can talk to me? You can talk to me?
Is he cooing back?
I love you. Hey. Hey.
There you go.
You can talk to me? I love you. I love you. Yeah? I love you.
Oh, no, maybe he's doing something else at the moment.
Yeah, he just pooed.
Yeah, I'm done.
Hey.
I'm done. That's all you're getting out of me.
Say, Mom, take
What's
me
he got? He
again.
got something big and red.
Oh, he's looking at that.
I love you. 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 Yeah. Yeah. I love you. Yeah. Yeah. You're such a handsome little boy. You're such a handsome little boy. Yes, you are. Oh, you're tired. You're tired. I love you. Look at the cute face. Look at the cute face.
Big brown ass, yeah.
Look at the cute face. Yeah. I love you. I love you.
Now, how many months is he?
2.5. I love you. Yeah, you love me? I love you. Yeah. I love you. Love you. I love you. Cute face. You did a cute